In this video, you'll learn how to create a TeamViewer session and obtain its session code for sharing. To begin, select the remote support in the navigation panel. Then, click the New Session button to start setting up a new remote session. Next, click the session name field and update the name so your session will be easy to identify later. Now, click the session link. This displays the unique support link you'll use to share access for the session, and you can easily copy that link for your contact. After that, select the session code field to reveal the session's unique code. Copy it so you can provide it to the person you're helping. Finally, enter your user's email address. When you're ready, click Start to launch the remote session and complete the process. You've just learned how to get and share a TeamViewer session code,